Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, this time I will talk about oily hair and how to reduce this oily hair problem in a month. Oily hair is a problem that many women and men and they suffer from many days. These marks that I will show you that helps to rid of how oily hair and get a shiny and healthy looking hair. So let's start about the ingredients. My first ingredient is lemon juice and my second ingredient is white egg. But I want to tell you that everyone is used in the egg white portion, but I will use whole the egg portion, that means egg yolk. So I will show you how to mix it. I take a bowl and add tablespoon. So I take first 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. If your hair is long and then you take 2 tablespoons. But I take 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And my second ingredient is white portion of egg. I take whole portions and I mix it well. And I said I take egg yolk. If you don't want to use it, then you leave it. But I use my hair because I think all the egg portions are needed. Then mix it well. Lemon juice contains in egg vitamin C and whole egg is a contains pH balance to proper rid of your hair oily hair. My paste is ready and I start up to mix my combinations into my hair. Okay, I take my ingredients and apply on my scalp. First I take one part on my hair and smoothly apply in your scalp. Then I take another part on my hair and again apply the paste on my hair scalp. Apply it on your scalp in every portion that rid of your oiliness on your hair scalp. If you're done to apply your ingredients on your scalp, then massage gently on your scalp. This massage helps your hair to reduce your oiliness and stickiness. After finishing this massage your scalp, then let it be 10 minutes to dry it. Okay guys, you can see that after washing my hair, how much look on my hair shine and healthy. So if you want to try these ingredients on your hair, so please apply these ingredients in a week